Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about C program to sort the given array elements using insertion sort in data structures course. Hash include stdio.h, hash include console input output dot h, void main, we have to take an integer array with size 10 and two more variables I comma j. J variable can be initialized to 0. I am declaring one more integer variable temp and one more integer variable n. CLR, SCR. Next, printf. Enter the array size. Enter the required array size /n double quotes and parenthesis close semicolon scanf %d double quotes and ampersand n. The required array size can be mentioned with integer variable n. Next one, printf. Enter the elements into the array. We have to take for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, scanf %d double quotes and ampersand a of I. So we have to read the array elements from the keyboard by using for loop and scanf function. Next, printf. Before sorting, the array elements are for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, printf %d space a of I. Next, printf insertion sort. Now we have to write the logic of insertion sort. For I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus, temp is equal to a of I. Next, j is equal to I minus 1. Next, we have to write the while loop. While j greater than or equal to 0, ampersand ampersand, a of j greater than temp. If this condition is true, a of j plus 1 is equal to a of j. J value can be decremented by 1. If this condition is false, then you have to write a of j plus 1 is equal to temp. So this is the logic of insertion sort. After applying the insertion sort, the array elements are printf. After sorting the array elements are again we have to write for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Next, you have to write the printf statement. Printf %d space a of I. Next one, get ch. Next, we have to close the main function. We have to save our program. Now, we have to compile the program. Alt C for compiling the program. So we are getting 0 errors and 0 warnings. Next, we have to run the program by using Alt R. So first we have to write the header files, #include stdio.h, #include conio.h. Next, void main. So our program starts with the execution with main function. We have to declare the array, integer array with the size 10, and we are taking 4 variables I, j, temp, n. Initially j is initialized with 0. Next one, clr str function. This function is used for clear the screen. Next one, printf enter the required size. We are given array size as 10. Among that array size 10, we are taking how much required array size you want. That array size can be declared with the variable n. That n value can be read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Now, enter the elements into the array. So the array elements can be read from the keyboard by using the for loop and scanf function. After that, whatever the array elements that are read from the keyboard, that array elements are printed by using for loop and printf function. Now here we have to start the insertion sort logic. So here for I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. So So the loop variable I starts with 1 because we have to take the element from the unsorted list. That element is compared with the elements that are present in the sorted list. Then we have to insert that element in the appropriate position. So the unsorted in the unsorted list starts with the index 1, so that we have to take I value is equal to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. So this is the logic of the insertion sort. So once the logic of the insertion sort is applied, then after that we have to print the array elements after sorting by using for loop and printf function. So this is the simple insertion sort program. Now we have to execute that program. First we have to save that program. Next we have to compile the program by using Alt F9. We are getting 0 errors and 0 warnings. Then we have to run the program by using Control F9. So enter the required array size. I am entering the required array size from the keyboard as 6. Now enter the 6 elements into the array. So 56, 43, 65, 32, 67 and 32, 35. So before sorting, the array elements are 56, 43, 65, 32, 67, 35. After applying the insertion sort, the array elements are 32, 35, 43, 56, 65, 67. So this is the insertion sort program in C and data structures course. I hope all of you understanding this video. So I am explaining with the example in the next video. In this video only I am executing the insertion sort program. So those who are interested to explain this logic with example, so in the next video I am explaining. So thank you one and all for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts. So if you really like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, DIVVELA Srinivasa. Thank you one and all for watching this.